Do you know that people are earning in hundreds and even thousands of dollars promoting other people's business online? It is called affiliate marketing, and if you've decided to learn this, you've made a wise decision. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing business models, and that's because you don't need to have your own product. You simply recommend what other people are buying. It's flexible, scalable, and can earn you passive income. And here is how it works. You find a product, you promote the product using your own unique affiliate link, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid for it. Whether it's through social media, a blog, or email, you simply earn by recommending products for people. And here is the best part. AI is making affiliate marketers 10 times more productive. Tools like ChatGPT helps you write compelling content. Canva helps you to design ads. AI email tools helps you automate follow-ups. Smart affiliate marketers use AI to convert better, work faster, and gain more. Once you're trained, you can work as a freelance affiliate strategist, run your own niche blog, partner with brands as an influencer, or create content that sells on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. And yes, you can work from anywhere, earn in dollars, and build multiple streams of income. To become a professional, here's what you need to learn. First, you understand affiliate networks and programs. You find high converting products, building landing page and funnels, email automation, email marketing automation, social media ads, and paid strategies using AI to scale faster. So why choose Bizmarrow Technologies? At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't do theory. We give you 100% practical training. A dedicated trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. We keep our classes small for personalized learning. You get to build real-world projects. You get to build your own affiliate marketing campaign. Physical and online classes are available so you can learn from anywhere. We have flexible payment plan, making real-world tech education accessible to you. Here, we don't just teach you, we equip you for career success. And the best part is, you don't need a degree to get started. If you have one, that's awesome. What matters most is getting the right training, and that is what Bizmarrow Technologies is offering you. So what are you waiting for? Register now for Bizmarrow's affiliate marketing course in Abuja or online, wherever you are. Opportunities on pause, so neither should you. See you in class.